I'm gonna do what today? I'm gonna bake a brownie in an air fryer. Well, stick around. I'm gonna show you how that's done. So in order for us to do this, I got the chewy fudge brownie mix 13 by 9 family size. And it says that in order for us to make this, we're gonna need 1/4 cup water, 2/3 cup vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. And then we're gonna have to have one more thing, because in order to do it in here, you know it's not gonna come out right with the holes on the bottom and all those things. So we're gonna need a ramekin. So it's gonna go, our brownie mix is gonna go in here, and I have actually 2 of these. And so whatever is left over, we're gonna put it into an actual pan, and then we'll see how that looks. So they want us to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So do that, 350 degrees. So while we're waiting for the oven to preheat, we're gonna make the mix. So first, we're gonna get our 1/4 water. So as you can see, there's 1/4 already on there. Next thing is 2/3 cup vegetable oil. So I have a 1/3 one right here, so we'll do it 2 times. After that, we got our 2 eggs. One. That's 2. There, now we're gonna put the mix. We have our brownie mix finally finished up on all the mixing, got it all moistened up. So the reason why I got the oven preheated is because not all of this is gonna go into those 2 ramekins, so we're gonna get another pan out and do the rest in there. But I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look inside the ramekin, because that's the only way to really put it into this air fryer to make it come out just the way we want it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, we got this canola oil cooking spray. I'm gonna use this and put this on our ramekin and our cooking pan, or our baking pan, I mean. Costco, of course. So here it is. Just make sure it doesn't stick. And we're gonna get our actual pan. Might have overdone it, but as long as it doesn't stick, it's plan for me. Alright, so we got this, but we're gonna do our ramekins first. Look at that. There we go. You don't want to do too much because we know that the brownies are going to get big thick on here, so we're not going to put the whole thing, or not the whole thing, but I'm not going to go all the way up to the top. Do the same for this. Alright, there you go. And then the rest of this is gonna go into actual baking pan. Alright, so we got our baking pan that has some of the brownie. It's really gonna be super thin because we didn't put the whole amount in here because we have it here in our 2 ramekins. And now I'm gonna stick these in to the air fryer. Remember, just like if you watch my breakfast one where we did the eggs in, stick them right in. The box says that if we did the whole thing, it would be about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna put these in for about 20 minutes and put it at the temperature. Put it around that same temperature. So I put it around 360 some degrees. It was like 365. Then I put it at 20 minutes. But we'll check up on it. It says that you should stick a toothpick to see if it's been cooked all the way or not. And then I will put this in. The oven has already been preheated, and don't need to worry about the rest. Time to put this in. Put this for about 20 minutes. And get started. Alright, finally done with the air fryer. And then this one, we have about 3 seconds. So let's see how the oven came out to be. Turn off everything. Let's take out the oven. Take this one out first. See how this one came out. Got my toothpick, so let's see how it looks. Ooh, I think it's moist on the inside. Yeah, we're gonna let it sit out so they can start hardening a little bit by itself. Now for the air fryer. Ooh. Anything for this? I want to take these out now. let this sit for a good couple of minutes so it could cool off. Just to see how it went for us. I'm gonna cut this. Just a little square. For this one, not the most appetizing looking cut for myself. Just a little bit. Oh. Terrible, I know, not the best way. If you have some of your own thoughts and opinions towards how I just did that, put that in the comments below. But yeah. Alright, let's try this out. So the one I just tried was from the air fryer. Definitely really crunchy. That good taste that you want from that brownie. Now, there's people who want all the crunch around this thing. So this one is just one big circular thing, and because the ramekin's so small, if you were to eat the whole thing by yourself, you would definitely get all of that crunchiness around it. All the edges. Well, I guess there's no edge, is there? Because it's a circle, there's no edge. Or is there? Tell me what you think in the comments below. And then we got our regular one that we put into the oven. Old-fashioned way, like it always is. Put it up. Alright, well, thanks for watching. This is just another addition to our air fryer special, so let me know what you think. If you're gonna try it out, let me know how it went for you guys, and stay cool.